Benefits of consuming fennel seeds and fennel water. Fennel seeds, derived from the aromatic fennel plant, Feniculum vulgare, have been used for centuries in various cultures for culinary and medicinal purposes. They are rich in essential oils, phytonutrients, antioxidants, and other compounds that contribute to a range of health and skin benefits. Fennel seed water, also known as fennel water, is made by steeping fennel seeds in water. This infused water is believed to offer various health benefits due to the nutrients and compounds present in fennel seeds. Here are some potential benefits of consuming fennel seeds and fennel water. Digestive aid. Fennel seed water is known for its digestive benefits. It can help alleviate indigestion, bloating, and gas by relaxing the muscles in the gastrointestinal tract. It may also promote smoother digestion and reduce discomfort after meals. Chewing on a few fennel seeds after meals can aid in digestion. Weight management. Drinking fennel seed water before meals may help curb appetite and promote a feeling of fullness due to the fiber content in the seeds. This can potentially support weight management efforts by reducing overeating. Hydration. Fennel seed water can be a refreshing and flavorful way to stay hydrated. Staying adequately hydrated is essential for overall health and maintaining healthy skin. Urinary health. Fennel seed water has been traditionally used as a natural diuretic, which means it may promote increased urine production. This can aid in flushing out excess toxins and reducing water retention. Improvement in skin health. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds in fennel seed water can contribute to healthier skin by promoting a clearer complexion and potentially reducing skin issues related to inflammation. Detoxification. Fennel seeds contain compounds that might support liver function and aid in detoxification. Drinking fennel seed water could potentially assist the body in eliminating toxins and waste products. Anti-inflammatory. Fennel seed water contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can help reduce inflammation in the body. Regular consumption might contribute to reducing inflammation-related health issues. Regulating blood sugar. Drinking fennel seed water could help regulate blood glucose levels, making it beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing diabetes. Menstrual cramps. Fennel water is often considered beneficial for alleviating menstrual cramps. Fennel seeds contain compounds that have antispasmodic and anti-inflammatory properties, which can help relax the muscles of the uterus and reduce the intensity of menstrual cramps. To make fennel seed water, simply add a teaspoon of fennel seeds to a cup of hot water, let it steep for several minutes, strain the seeds, and drink the infused water. Remember that while fennel seed water can offer potential benefits, individual responses can vary. It's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Hope you liked the video and thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and support our channel, Miss Healthy.